Good evening traders, welcome to 200forextips.com. This video is going to help the forex trading for dummies and forex trading for beginners. So this is the chart that I'm consulting. This is the gold 1 minute trading chart, and I'm just looking for the opportunity to trade the market. Okay, so this is the 1 minute chart, and if we talk about the previous trend that is appeared onto the gold 1 minute, that's the upward trend. So I'm just looking to make the video because I thought that maybe we received a sell signal from the arrow indicator as well. So okay, the sell signal just appeared, guys. You can see the sell signal is appeared, and I'm going to take a sell position on gold. Okay, so you can see the signal is appeared right in front of you, so that's why I was also interested in making a video so that I can share it with you guys. And you can see we are $18 positive on the trade. So guys, basically when you are as a beginner, so if you are trading the naked charts, this is not going to help you, and you will not be able to make a good amount of money. Just make sure that if you're a beginner, you should have the right tools with you. Like I'm using the top yellow boundaries for the overbought levels, the lower is for the oversold. And guys, look how swiftly the market is going down, and it has given me a very beautiful signal. I'm getting 56 something from that trade. So 51 you can see on the screen, and right now I will wait for the market to go a little bit more down so that I can catch my trades. So this indicator is definitely going to help the beginners as well, and those who are experienced into the forex trading and still they are losing money. Then guys, they need to they need to use this indicator on the higher time frames like 1 hour, 4, and the daily. The higher the time frame, the more accurate will be the results. So guys, that's why I'm taking the live trades in front of you so that you can understand the power of this trading indicators. Because if they do not work into the live trades that when I take in front of you, then it means that definitely these indicators are not going to work. So that's why I have started the live scalping series so that you can understand that both indicators are working. Like if we talk about the yellow boundary, that was the overbought levels the market rejected from here, and then you can see the market is right now at the green level. So we will wait for the market that for a proper take profit. So I will wait a little bit more, and then once it gives me a decent profit, then I will be out of that trade. So right now we are getting 8.90 something from the trade, but still I'm not going to take it right now. So I will be going to focus more on the trade, and let's see that how this trade is going to in our favor, because we have received a sell signal from the arrow indicator. And guys, I'm again repeating, this is the gold 1 minute chart, this is not the hourly chart. So the higher the time frame that you will consult, the more accurate will be the results. Okay, the next candle has started. Let's see either it's going to be bullish or bearish. So we are getting 18 point something, $23 from that trade. So we are not going to close it right now. Overall, guys, I really understand that right now, you know that this is the second part of the Friday and the market is a bit slow right now. So we will rely on the smaller profit. But overall, the main purpose of making this video is to help the beginners and forex trading for dummies as well as forex trading for beginners, so that they can do extremely well job with the indicators. So all you need to use it, the better. If you use the higher time frames like 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily, then you can get very extraordinary results. You can do trend trading, but you know that when I'm going to make a video, then normally I have a less time with me, so I cannot make a longer video. So that's why I cannot consult the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily chart. Okay guys, you can see we are getting something like $58 from the trade, but we are not going to take it right now because we can expect that the market can go further down. So we will wait for the market to go into the downward direction more, and then we will take our profits right now. Okay, so again the market is reversed, no worries about this. So guys, this indicator is not, the second indicator that you can see on the lower portion of the screen, that's not very much useful. So you can skip it, that's not an issue. So you can focus on to the other indicators that are the yellow indicator, and then the other indicator that gives you the signal in the form of red and blue arrows. So right now you can see that our trade again turned into loss, so no worries about it because we are still going to test it right now. Okay, so we are minus 66 somewhere here. Okay, the next candle also pumping up, no worries. So we will wait because it takes sometimes it takes a little bit time to go into the proper downward direction. So overall still we have a sell signal from the indicator. So you know that our trade went positive. That was something like $70 on that time, but I didn't close right now. So on that time, so I will wait for the market to go into the proper direction, because it does not mean that only one candle turns bullish, so our decision is going to be negative. So we will wait here and we will see. So you can see the market is again coming back into the original direction, because we have received the sell signal from the indicator, and again our trade was positive. So guys, you can trade with this indicator for few minutes and you can catch very good profits, but all you need to use them very wisely, follow the trends and follow it with the trends, so you can get a very good trading results with it. Okay, so we are again positive, we are getting 9.80. So we are not going to close the trade right now, because we will still expect that the market can go down, and because we do not have a new signal from the arrow indicator as well. So this is the previous lowest point that it has achieved a couple of minutes ago. So the market has definite chances that it can break this lower peak as well. So we will wait and see together. Right now we are getting $13 from the trade, 24, 26, and we will wait 32. So above 70 I have the plans to close that trade. So 57, 67. So guys, the market is pumping up, 85. And what do you think should be closed, guys? Okay, so it's good for scalping. So above 70 we should close, and little bit more and I will be exit, because till now right now the market is a bit slow. So guys, we cannot rely on the heavy profits at that time. So again pumping down, 68 and 63. So I think so guys, that's fine. So because the market is a bit slow, so do not expect much from it, because it can also move into the upward direction and then we can lose our potential profits. So basically you can see that from here the sell signal was appeared in front of you guys, and then I have taken a trade, and then you have seen that how drastically the market has went down, and then it only took 6 minutes to take a ride, and you can see within the 6 minutes you can have your profits as well. So make sure that when you're using this indicator, you should use it with the yellow boundaries. I will provide you with both indicators, and if you want to get these indicators, you can contact me on info@200forexpips.com, or you can contact me on the WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is given in the description of this video below. So guys, if you like this video, then please press the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.